10 billion views and 17 million followers and counting. There's nothing this pup cannot do. And I am beside myself to welcome internet sensation, a guy in a golden, in the house today. Teddy and Jonathan, welcome. This is the best day of my life.
From the TV. Now, Teddy is searching either is famous or not. Yes, it's top of the list. It's famous. I'm searching the what is famous. So nice.
A guy and a golden are world-famous content creators featuring Teddy the Golden Retriever, one of the most famous dogs in the world.
Listening.
You just figure out you're famous. This is not good. Dinner.
It's not good.
Can I stop with the palm branch? My arm. Fine.
Reaction.